Good morning, dear boys. Today we'll do some questions from exercise 10D, which is the chapter ratio, proportion, and unitary method. 10D, the first question I have done over here is the question number 14. In the question number 14, it is said that if 40 men can finish a piece of work in 26 days. In 26 days, the work done by the work done by 40 men, and that work in one day it is to be completed. So the number of men to be more than the number of men which is done in 26 days. So to complete the same work in one day, we have to input more and more men. So to get more men, we have to multiply this 40 into 26 men. In 20 days, it will be less than the previous number of men. That is 40 into 26 by 20, because to make it less number of men, we have to divide this 40 into 26 by 20. Now 20 to the 40 will be cancelled, 2 into 26, it will be 52 men. So the right option here, it is A. In next question, we will do here question number 15. You see, in covering 111 kilometers, a car consumes 6 liters of petrol. How many kilometers will be going 10 liters of petrol? So in 6 liters, the car in 6 liters, the car goes 111 kilometers. Therefore, in 1 liter, it will go less than this. To make it less than this, we have to divide this kilometer by 6. We will get this kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. So again, in 10 liter of petrol, we have to multiply this 111 by 6 by 10, because as the amount of petrol is, quantity of petrol is more, so the car will go more and more kilometers. So to make it more than this, we have to multiply this term by 10. We will get 111 into 10 by 6. Now we can cancel this 6 by 3, table 3, 3 to the 6. 6 will be cancelled, and 3 to the 9, carry 2, 21, 3 7 the 21. Again 2 1 the 2, 2 will be cancelled, and 2 5 the 10 will be cancelled. So 37 into 5, this kilometer, it is 185 kilometers. So the right option is B. Now next question we will do over here. Next question we will do here. Suppose question number 19. We will do question number 19 over here. A bus covers 195 km in 3 hours and a train covers 300 km in 4 hours. Then the ratio of their speed. Now, the speed of the bus, it is better to write speed of the bus. Speed of the bus is equal to speed of the bus equal to 195 km. It goes in 3 hours. So 195 by 3 unit will be kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the bus. You can do the simplification. 3 6 18, carry 1, 3 5 15. So it will be 65 km per hour. This is the speed of the bus. And a speed of the train. speed of the train. The train goes in 4 hours, the train goes in 4 hours 300 kilometers. This is also kilometer per hour. So it will be, you can simplify it. 4 1 are 4, 4 7 are 28, carry 2, 4 5 are 20. So it will be 75 kilometers per hour. Therefore, required ratio is bus speed of bus 65 kilometer per hour divided by 75 kilometer per hour. So it will be kilometer unit will be cancelled, both the units. So 65 you can cancel by 5, 15 and 5 13. So it will be 13 by 15 equal to 13:15. So this is our answer, 13:15. So our right option is A. Our right option, which is the right option? Right option is A. What is the right option? Right option is A. Now next question. All these questions are similar type question. Let us do one question. Another question 23. We will do question number 23. In question number 23, you see, in question number 23, first, second and fourth term of the proportion are 12, 21, 14 given. Find the third term. Let the third term be x. Therefore, first term, let third term be x. Therefore, first, second, third and fourth are respectively, how much? This is 12, 21, x and 14. This is the term of the proportion. Therefore, we can write as they are in proportion 12:21 on proportion x is to 14. Therefore, we can write 21 into x equal to 12 into 14. So, x we can write 12 into 14 divided by 21. Now, 7 3 are 21, 7 2 are 14 and 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12. So, 4 into 2 it will be 8. So, our third term is 8. That is D is the right option. Our right option is D. Now, last question we will do over here. Now, question number 24 we will do here. Question number 24, you see, 10 boys can dig a pitch of in 12 hours. How long will 8 boys take to do it? 10 boys can do in 10 boys can dig in 12 hours. 10 boys can dig a pit in 12 hours. Therefore, one boy, if we give one boy to dig the pit, so he alone will take more time. So to make it more than this 12, so we have to multiply by 10. So these hours they will take. Now this time it has been given that 8 boys. How much 8 boys will take? Therefore 8 boys can dig in 12 into 10 by 8. 4 to 8, 4 3 12, 2 5. So 3 into 5 it will be 15 hours. Okay, thank you my dear. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.